How smart are robots? It's a question that sparks our imagination. We see robots performing tasks, some simple, some incredibly complex, but does this mean they're truly intelligent? Is there a mind behind the machine? Humanity stands at a turning point. We've created machines that can learn, adapt, and solve problems. This power brings responsibility and raises profound questions. How far can robot intelligence go? What are its limits, and how will it change our place in the world? Robots born of code and metal reflect our ingenuity and ambition. As we build smarter machines, we're forced to rethink what intelligence really means. Is it just about processing data, or is there something deeper, like understanding? We give robots sensors and algorithms, but true comprehension remains elusive. The coming years will bring breakthroughs, challenging our ideas about intelligence and ethics. The story of robots is in many ways a reflection of ourselves. As we look to the future, we must ask, are robots just tools, partners, or something more? The journey to answer this is just beginning. The quest to define robotic intelligence is ongoing, and it challenges what it means to be human. The next chapter in the story of intelligence is being written now. What is a robot? At its core, it's a machine that can sense, process, and act. Unlike a toaster or a bicycle, a robot can respond to its environment. Its smartness comes from software, algorithms that let it analyze data and make decisions. For example, a robot might see an obstacle and decide to go around it. This is artificial intelligence, even if it's basic. Most robots today have narrow intelligence. They're great at specific tasks, like playing chess or vacuuming floors, but they can't understand poetry or feel emotions. The dream is artificial general intelligence. Machines that can learn any task a human can. We're not there yet, but progress is rapid. Each new algorithm and sensor brings us closer. The smarter the programming and the better the sensors, the more capable the robot. Robots blend mechanical engineering and computer science, a testament to human creativity. As robots learn to learn, the line between programmed behavior and genuine learning blurs. This is where the future gets exciting and a bit daunting. Robots are physical entities, but their intelligence is digital. Their ability to perceive, reason, and act is what makes them smart. The journey to true machine intelligence is accelerating. Robots are everywhere: factories, hospitals, even our homes. In factories, robotic arms assemble cars and electronics with speed and precision. They've revolutionized manufacturing, boosting efficiency and safety. In hospitals, robots assist surgeons, enabling more precise and less invasive operations. They transport supplies, help patients, and support rehabilitation. At home, robots vacuum floors, mow lawns, and even act as smart speakers. These domestic robots handle chores, making life easier and freeing up our time. Beyond Earth, robots explore the deep sea and distant planets, sending back data and images. They go where humans can't, pushing the boundaries of knowledge. Robots are our proxies in dangerous or inaccessible places. From the factory floor to the surface of Mars, robots extend our reach. They're transforming how we work, heal, live, and explore. Their roles are growing and diversifying every day. Robots are silent partners in our daily lives. They're not just tools. They're changing the way we experience the world. The age of robots is here, and it's only just beginning. Their presence is shaping our future. Robots excel where speed, precision, and endurance matter most. They solve complex problems and process massive data sets in seconds. Their memory is flawless. They can store and recall vast information instantly. In manufacturing, robots assemble tiny components and paint cars with perfect consistency. They never tire or lose focus, ensuring quality and reliability. Robots also thrive in hazardous environments: extreme heat, cold, radiation, or underwater. They explore, clean up, and maintain places unsafe for humans. Their resilience and accuracy make them invaluable specialists. Robots are brilliant at repetitive, data-heavy, or dangerous tasks. They're not generalists, but in their domains, they're unmatched. Their strengths are transforming industries and opening new frontiers. Can robots think and feel like humans? For now, the answer is no. Even the smartest robots run on algorithms. They process data and make decisions, but lack consciousness. They can play chess recognize faces and generate text, but it's all sophisticated pattern matching. Human thought is rich with awareness, context, and emotion. Robots don't have beliefs, desires, or self-awareness. They can simulate emotions, smiling or using a sad tone. But it's just programming. Emotions are rooted in biology. Robots lack the chemistry and neural structures for real feelings. They can recognize human emotions but don't share them. Robotic intelligence is a powerful tool, not a kindred spirit. The quest for truly thinking and feeling machines is ongoing. For now, human thought and emotion remain unique. Robots extend our abilities, but their intelligence is fundamentally different. The universe may hold many kinds of minds, but ours is still distinct. How do robots learn? The answer is machine learning. Instead of programming every action, we feed robots data. They find patterns and make predictions. Neural networks inspired by the brain help robots recognize images, sounds, and more. These networks adjust themselves through repetition, improving accuracy over time. Robots also learn by playing games, analyzing wins and losses to develop new strategies. This is called reinforcement learning. Imitation learning lets robots watch humans and mimic their actions, mastering complex skills. As these techniques advance, robots become more adaptable and autonomous. They learn faster and handle unpredictable environments better. Machine learning is driving the next wave of robot intelligence. The more robots learn, the more capable they become. The journey toward artificial understanding is accelerating. Robots are evolving from programmed machines to self-improving learners. Robotics is full of astonishing achievements. Some robots perform surgery with tiny incisions, speeding up recovery. In Japan, robots assist the elderly, offering companionship and daily help. Others compose music or create art, challenging our ideas of creativity. Factories run lights out, operating 24/7 with almost no humans. Nanorobots may soon travel through our bodies to fight disease. The possibilities seem limitless, from industry to medicine. The future of robot intelligence is filled with promise. Robots could help solve climate change, explore space, and revolutionize education. The key is guiding their development wisely and ethically. The future isn't humans versus robots, it's humans with robots. Together we can achieve more, freeing people for creativity and empathy. With thoughtful stewardship, robots can help build a better world.